Get ready for the dictation. Start. The parties agreed in the memorandum that both will actively participate in the arrangement by pooling the resources, monetary and otherwise, so as to ensure full and final compliance with the obligations set out in the memorandum. Full stop. In terms of the memorandum, the petitioner agreed to pay the respondent rupees 59 crores and 14 lakhs as interest free refundable deposit. Full stop. In terms of the memorandum, the petitioner is entitled for 39% and 61% respectively in the saleable area, in the plotted bar villa development, or 30% and 70% respectively of the saleable area, if the development were to be residential, multi-storied development, or a combination of both with proportionate share in the parking and common areas. Full stop. In terms of clause 2 of the memorandum, the respondent agreed to complete the process of securing the scheduled property in his name, complete the conversion of the lands, secure a combined kata from the local authority (BBMP) provide a 60 feet wide road from Whitefield Varthur main road to the scheduled properties, within a period of 4 months from the date of the memorandum, full stop. Accordingly, comma, under the memorandum, comma, the petitioner paid the respondent rupees 11 crores and 12 lakhs in advance, full stop.